Below are 50 basic English speaking sentences. For each sentence, I show subject S plus verb the plus object O, and also identify noun, pronoun, singular/plural, main verb, auxiliary verb, modal/semi-modal, gerund/infinitive when used. 50 basic English sentences with grammar explanation. 1. Sentence: I eat rice. Subject: I, pronoun singular. Verb: eat, main verb. Object: rice, noun singular. 2. Sentence: she drinks water. Subject: she, pronoun singular. Verb: drinks, main verb. Object: water, noun. 3. Sentence: they play cricket. Subject: they, pronoun plural. Verb: play, main verb. Object: cricket, noun. 4. Sentence: we watch movies. Subject: we, pronoun plural. Verb: watch, main verb. Object: movies, noun plural. 5. Sentence: he reads a book. Subject: he, pronoun singular. Verb: reads, main verb. Object: book, noun singular. 6. Sentence: the boy eats an apple. Subject: boy, noun singular. Verb: eats, main verb. Object: apple, noun singular. 7. Sentence: the girls sing songs. Subject: girls, noun plural. Verb: sing, main verb. Object: songs, noun plural. 8. Sentence: I am learning English. Subject: I, pronoun. Auxiliary verb: am. Main verb: learning, gerund form. Object: English, noun. 9. Sentence: she is cooking food. Subject: she, pronoun. Auxiliary is main verb, cooking, gerund. Object: food, noun. 10. Sentence: they are playing football. Subject: they, pronoun plural. Auxiliary are main verb, playing, gerund. Object: football, noun. 11. Sentence: I want to learn English. Subject: I, pronoun. Main verb: want. Infinitive: to learn. Object: English, noun. 12. Sentence: she likes to read books. Subject: she. Verb: likes. Infinitive: to read. Object: books, plural noun. 13. Sentence: we enjoy playing games. Subject: we. Verb: enjoy. Gerund: playing. Object: games, plural noun. 14. Sentence: he started learning English. Subject: he. Verb: started. Gerund: learning. Object: English. 15. Sentence: I can speak English. Subject: I. Modal verb: can. Main verb: speak. Object: English. 16. Sentence: she can cook food. Subject: she. Modal: can. Main verb: cook. Object: food. 17. Sentence: they must finish the work. Subject: they. Modal: must. Main verb: finish. Object: work. 18. Sentence: you should study English. Subject: you. Modal: should. Main verb: study. Object: English. 19. Sentence: I will call you. Subject: I. Modal/auxiliary: will. Main verb: call. Object: you, pronoun. 20. Sentence: she will visit Delhi. Subject: she. Modal: will. Main verb: visit. Object: Delhi, proper noun. 21. Sentence: we have finished the work. Subject: we. Auxiliary: have. Main verb: finished. Object: work. 22. Sentence: he has written a letter. Subject: he. Auxiliary: has. Main verb: written. Object: letter. 23. Sentence: they had completed the task. Subject: they. Auxiliary: had. Main verb: completed. Object: task. 24. Sentence: I am going to study. Subject: I. Auxiliary: am. Semi-modal: going to. Main verb: study. 25. Sentence: she is going to buy a car. Subject: she. Auxiliary is semi-modal, going to. Main verb, by. Object, car. 26th sentence. We need to work hard. Subject, we. Semi-modal, need to. Main verb, work. 27th sentence. You have to finish the work. Subject, you. Semi-modal, have to. Main verb, finish. Object, work. 28th sentence. He used to play cricket. Subject, he. Semi-modal, used to. Main verb, play. Object, cricket. 29th sentence. I like drinking tea. Subject, I. Main verb, like. Gerund, drinking. Object, tea. 30th sentence. She loves singing songs. Subject, she. Main verb, loves. Gerund, singing. Object, songs. 31 sentence. They stopped talking. Subject, they. Main verb, stopped. Gerund, talking. 32 sentence. The teacher teaches students. Subject, teacher, noun. Verb, teaches. Object, students, plural noun. 33rd sentence. The dog eats meat. Subject, dog, singular noun. Verb, eats. Object, meat. 34th sentence. The children are playing. Subject, children, plural noun. Auxiliary are. Main verb, playing. 35th sentence. My father drives a car. Subject, father, noun. Verb, drives. Object, car. 36th sentence. My mother cooks food. Subject, mother. Verb, cooks. Object, food. 37th sentence. The sun rises. Subject, sun, singular noun. Verb, rises, main verb. 38th sentence. The birds are flying. Subject, birds, plural noun. Auxiliary, are. Main verb, flying. 39th sentence. I must go now. Subject, I. Modal, must. Main verb, go. 40th sentence. She may come tomorrow. Subject, she. Modal, may. Main verb, come. 41st sentence. They might visit us. Subject, they. Modal, might. Main verb, visit. Object, us, pronoun. 42nd sentence. You could help me. Subject, you. Modal, could. Main verb, help. Object, me. 43rd sentence. I shall return soon. Subject, I. Modal, shall. Main verb, return. 44th sentence. We will win the match. Subject, we. Modal, will. Main verb, win. Object, match. 45th sentence. She is reading a book. Subject, she. Auxiliary is. Main verb, reading. Object, book. 46th sentence. They are building a house. Subject, they. Auxiliary, are. Main verb, building. Object, house. 47th sentence. I started to understand English. Subject, I. Main verb, started. Infinitive, to understand. Object, English. 48th sentence. She hopes to meet you. Subject, she. Verb, hopes. Infinitive, to meet. Object, you. 49th sentence. We prefer to travel by train. Subject, we. Verb, prefer. Infinitive, to travel. 50th sentence. They plan to start a business. Subject, they. Verb, plan. Infinitive, to start. Object, business. White heavy check mark this list covers. Subject plus verb plus object. Noun slash pronoun. Singular slash plural. Main verb. Auxiliary verb. Modal verbs can, may, must, will, etc. Semi-modal verbs have to, going to, used to, need to. Gerund, ing. Infinitive, to plus verb.